You can add glitch effects more easily with Wondershare Filmora 11 beta without any subscriptions or plugins. With just a little effort, you can apply the glitch effect to your file. You will find there are some glitch title presets which allows you to create glitch text in an easier way. In the Titles tab, type glitch in the search bar and you will see related titles presets with glitch and VHS effects listed. Drag and drop them to the timeline and then type in your own words to create texts with glitch effects. Go to Effects tab and then type glitch in the search bar and you will see all glitch related effects such as human glitch, glitch fuzz, chromatic aberration, TV statics, drag and drop them into the video. Besides the video effects, you can also add the glitch sound effect to video.
Let's go!
Add VHS overlays and glitch effects to make retro videos. How to add VHS effect or glitch effect to make vlogs look like retro VCR videos? The VHS overlay, glitch text, and glitch tracking transition in Filmora will help you create a retro or old school style daily vlog. You can also use these VHS or glitch effects to record precious memories. The transition library now contains 7 kinds of glitch effects, and there will be more in the future, such as VHS and glitch, and transitions from glitter glamour pack. You can add them to the beginning, ending, or even the middle of your video clip. In Filmora 11 beta, you can add glitch sound to video footage.